How to build a 600 per day business using Power Leads Home Business Pro Funnel. Hello and welcome. If you're looking to build a profitable business using the Power Leads Home Business Pro Funnel, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll show you how to build a $600 per day business using this powerful marketing tool. Step 1. Set up your Power Leads Home Business Pro Funnel. The first step in building a profitable business using the Power Leads Home Business Pro Funnel is to set it up. This includes creating your landing page, setting up your email autoresponder, and connecting it to your payment processor. Make sure your landing page is visually appealing and offers value to your potential customers. Step 2. Drive traffic to your landing page. Once your Power Leads Home Business Pro Funnel is set up, it's time to drive traffic to your landing page. There are many ways to do this, such as social media marketing, paid advertising, and content marketing. Choose the marketing channels that work best for your business and target your ideal customers. Step 3. Offer a high-quality product or service. To build a profitable business, you need to offer a high-quality product or service. Make sure your product or service provides value to your customers and solves a problem they have. Your landing page should highlight the benefits of your product or service and why customers should buy from you. Step 4. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial to building a loyal customer base. Make sure to respond to customer inquiries promptly and be willing to go above and beyond to satisfy their needs. Happy customers will refer their friends and family to your business, which can help you grow. Step 5. Scale your business. Once you've established a profitable business using the Power Leads Home Business Pro Funnel, it's time to scale. This can include expanding your product line, increasing your advertising budget, and partnering with other businesses. Keep testing and optimizing your marketing strategies to maximize your profits. Closing. That's it. By following these 5 steps, you can build a profitable business using the Power Leads Home Business Pro Funnel. Remember, building a business takes time and effort, but with determination and hard work, you can achieve your goals. Subscribe for more.